Hey our friends, today we're gonna draw a koala.
Yeah, we're gonna draw it ice skating. We hope you're gonna follow along because art is always better with
Brains.
Yeah,
And family.
Yeah, like you. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our koala's nose. We're gonna draw an upside down U right here in the middle of our paper. There you go. And then we're gonna draw the bottom of the nose and let's color in the shape.
Okay.
Now let's draw the mouth. I'm gonna start here and draw a little curve coming out and also coming out on the other side. And we could also add little cheek lines and let's draw the mouth open. And then we can also draw a little tongue inside too. Oh, and let's color the top shape. Then we could draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle here and a circle over here. And then we can also draw that highlight in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. There's our koala face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. We're gonna start here and draw the chin, and then we're gonna come up over next to the eye on the other side. Then let's draw the hat. We're gonna draw a winter hat or stocking hat. We're gonna draw the bottom. And then we can draw the next layer or that folded part of the stocking hat. We'll draw the sides coming up on both. And then we can connect those lines together with a big curve. And if we ever go too fast,
You could always pause the video.
yeah, for more time. And then let's draw the top of our little stocking hat and also a pom-pom. I'm gonna draw a zigzag line in the shape of a half circle. What's our koala missing though?
His ears.
Yeah, big ears. Let's draw a zigzag line. Well, let's draw a curve coming out first from the side of the hat. And then we're gonna draw zigzag lines starting from there, coming down in the shape of another on a half circle. And then we're gonna try to draw the same size ear over here to match. Now it looks like a koala. We could also draw the inside of the ear. I'm gonna draw that curve first. We're gonna draw the same shape but smaller. And then we'll draw the zigzag line coming around and connecting, and then repeat that same smaller shape over here on this side. Okay, now let's draw this scarf. We're gonna draw a shape, kind of a curved rectangle shape. And then we're gonna draw the belly line. And we're gonna draw one arm coming out to the side and then back in. And let's try to draw that same shape over here to match. So we'll start on the scarf, come out, and then curve around, and then we'll stop about there. Yeah, and then we can draw the back of our koala coming down. Oh, let's stop there, and then we're gonna draw the knee here too. So we wanted to make sure there was enough space. Now we're ready to draw the first ice skate. We can connect the leg, and then we're gonna draw the boot for our ice skate. So we'll draw a short line on the front and a longer line on the back. Then let's draw the toes sticking out and down, and then we can connect those together. Okay, let's draw the sole on the bottom of our ice skate, and we can also add shoelaces. Okay, now we need the ice skate.
Yeah.
Let's curve from the bottom of the boot, and then on this side, so we're curved up, but on the back, we're gonna curve down and further towards the right side.
Straight out.
Straight out. Now we're gonna connect these. So first we're gonna curve around, then we're gonna come down like this and come all the way back and then curve in. Then underneath or inside of the blade of the skate, we're gonna draw a U shape, letter U, and then we'll draw a wider letter U next to it. That's a pretty simple way to draw an ice skate.
Yeah.
All right, but our koala only has one leg. We need to add another one.
Yes.
So let's draw it sticking out. We're going to draw like our koala is taking a step. We're going to draw 2 short lines, and then we'll connect them. And then we're going to repeat all of these same steps. So we'll go a little faster, but we're going to draw them diagonal so that the ice skate is pointed up. So we got the short line and then the long line. Then we got the toes next, and then connect them at the bottom. What was the next step?
The sole.
Yeah. We're going to draw the extra line. And then what's after that?
The laces.
Laces. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And then the blade.
And then the blade. Okay, we'll do the curve, curving up, and then on the back we'll curve down. And then we're going to connect those 2 curves. Oh, I made a, that's okay. It doesn't look exactly like this one. We got a little bump right here, but we're just practicing, right?
Yeah.
And the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. That's okay if we feel like we make mistakes. We just keep going.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks awesome. Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, and let's also add the end of the scarf sticking out or flying out the back. We could have curved it more. And then we'll connect them. And then we can have the little strings flying in the wind because our koala is going so fast.
Yeah.
We finished drawing our koalas ice skating. We still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up again, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Check, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our ice skating koalas, and it turned out awesome, especially like this little snow or ice coming off the ice skate.
Yeah.
Makes them look like they're going super fast.
Our friends could even add more things to the background, like trees or snow.
Yeah, and maybe the ice skating rink.
Oh, yeah.
Our friends could change the colors and even add more things to our koala.
I think you could draw the koala with a snow cone.
Oh yeah, snow cone and ice skating, perfect match.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an ice skating koala.
We do, we hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.